In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the very basics of text in Adobe After Effects. As you may recall from previous tutorials, we talked a little bit about the layers and the different types of layers that you can have. Solid layers and shape layers. If I want to delete a layer by simply selecting on it, I can just click the delete key on my keyboard and it will remove a layer. We're going to edit our star here a little bit. Take the stroke off of it. In my classes, I usually have the students create a simple text layer on their projects to not only identify their projects, but to get them into the habit of how to manipulate or work just basic text in Adobe After Effects. You can create a text layer directly if you want, or if you simply click the Type tool and click on the layer, it will start the character palette so that you can manipulate the text however you want it to be. By default, it usually goes to Helvetica and white, but I'll show you how you can change that in a second. So let's delete our layer, click our text tool, click, and we'll just start typing. If I want to manipulate the text, I can highlight the text and I can change the font that I want to use. To whatever new font I want it to be. We'll go back to Helvetica because it's a pretty easy font to read. And we'll set it to a nice bold. But I can also manipulate the text in size and it will be in pixels. I can also click on the options to where I can change things to all caps if I like. I can set small caps, superscripts. I can stretch and distort the type. Once I'm done, I click the selection tool and you'll see that it will be named whatever text I've typed. And just like my shape layer, I can maneuver it wherever I want it to go. And this is how we use, very basically, the text in Adobe After Effects.